Hey, my name's Thomas. Hey dude, my name's Instrumental Analysis. Hey guys, what you talking about? Kid, who's this loser? Oh, that's just my hobbies, like YouTube or writing stories or writing music, Listen, if you and I are gonna hang out, you gotta ditch him. Well, golly, mister, I don't know. You want to be a chemist, don't you? Well, I'm actually quite fond of them, so if you could... Yay! Oh, that's it. Oh. That's depressing. R.I.P. fun. Okay, so this past week we were out of school almost the entire week because of the worst ice storm since, I think it's been 9 years. Worst ice storm in 9 years. I didn't get many pictures because I didn't leave my house very much. I think I went to see if my car was frozen once. It was. And after that, just stayed in my house the whole time. But I got a few pictures out of my ginormous window, which you can see here and here. We had a blackout, so power was off for a while. That was boring. The power's back on now, and we're back at school. We were out for 4 days. And it's kind of a tough adjustment because I'm having to do all the work that I should have been doing over last week when I didn't have school today. Which, as you can see, I am not doing, really. Nope. So instead of making a video, awesome! So, I don't actually have anything to say. Well, I'm actually quite fond of them. What's in my pocket? M&Ms. I just found a whole packet of M&Ms in my pocket. Of my lab coat that I haven't worn for 3 years.